Okay everybody, here is my 2002 Chevy 2500 HD with the 6.0 in it. I keep getting p0300 come up. I've done just about everything to it. I've done new intake gaskets. I have done new fuel pump, pressure regulator. It did need a new fuel pump, but coils have been tested, they're all fine. I have replaced spark plugs and the wires per GM spec, and they are gapped at 0.060. Pretty much the rest of the engine stock, just got a homemade cold air intake into the box. It's got dual exhaust, dual flow masters on it. Pretty much though, it comes up all the time. You can feel the mist when it's just idling and you're sitting in the seat. I'll put the scan tool on, I'll start it up real fast and you can see what it's doing. I was reading some stuff on the cam lobes and stuff, and I don't know what's going on with it. It always does that stumble at the start. It's done that since the day I've had it, but as you can hear, it doesn't run as smooth as it should. It's been doing this for about 20,000 miles now, so let me put the scan tool in and I'll get the SES to come up, and you can watch it on the screen, on the tack there. Once I get it up around 2400 or so, the service engine light will come up. So let me get it up. Go up any second now. There it is. It'll flash 10 to 15 times. Let me finish my scan tool. So, and here is the scan tool, p0300, like always. So now we'll go back, we'll clear that out so you can see what all my sensors are reading. There we go. Just be patient. My scan tool's not the fastest thing. Okay, I don't know if you can see all that. Sorry, it's kind of sunny out here, so. Alright, so you saw that. Now scroll down. Fuel trim. You can see the long-term fuel trim for